That's him.
Man, that's Truck Turner, man.
Look, man, that's him.
Hey, now, wait a minute, man. Now, you said kill a nigga. That's Truck Turner.
Look, man, what's the matter with you? We got a job to do.
Man, look here, man.
Look, come on.
Man, that's fuck you, man.
Come on in. Come on, close the door. What do you want, man?
Checking you out, man.
What is all this shooting shit outside?
The sky is about to open up in your head. Better retire. Take a vacation. Lay on a beach for about 90 years.
You got 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Be cool, pussy.
8.
Dorinda's clever. You gotta hand it to her. She knows the dude that kills Turner can keep the rest of us from picking her stable clean.
I'll take care of the bitches and Dorinda. You just run the stable.
I don't want to end up like Reno, man.
Desmond, what are you worried about? I mean, we have an insurance company, don't we?
Well, for Turner, you're gonna need it. What's the 10?
20,000. 10's for you and 10's for me.
You got it.
Goddamn, give it up, Mama. Hell, there's a much better way.
Hey, Mama.
What is it?
Luke, he's here.
Well, send him out here and you get back in the house.
Hit him so low.
Split, bitch.
Look, you getting into shit ankle deep. You're gonna trip and fall, and when you do, I'm not gonna hardly be there.
That's your choice, nigga.
You coming or going?
Blue, all you son of a bitches are crazy.
Listen, you get the fuck away from me, you son of a bitch.
Well, Blue, I presume you came to talk business.
You don't see me with my cock in my hand, do you, Dorinda?
Who's he, you test tube?
You're looking in your house for tapes.
Shit, nigga, this ain't the White House.
Well, you better get it together, bitch.
Reno's dead, Charles gone, and so is Fontana. Snowman just left here with egg in his shoes.
What's the matter, Blue? Can't you cut the job?
I am the job. I came here to get him off your ass.
My ass is in good shape.
Your ass is into hot water without a boat. What you gonna do when Turner finds out that you turned those guns on him, huh? What are you gonna do? You gonna offer him some trim? You'd better wise up. You're liable to lose your ass in those string of bitches you got down there. What are you gonna do, become a man? Hire one? You're past 30 and time is running out.
I haven't had to sell my pussy since I was 15 and found out I could sell other bitches instead. Don't you fuck with me, Blue.
Yes,
I got
because
along
you had
this
that
far
goddamn
without you.
crocodile nigger working for you. And now he's getting his mail from the groundhog. Now you want to listen to my deal?
What fucking deal?
I'll kill Truck Turner for half a Gator share.
You out of your goddamn mind.
At least you can retire with a pension.
You shove your pension, nigga. All I want is Truck Turner's head.
25% of the take. Now, if you understand that, then me and you can talk a deal.
You wait a minute, Blue.
You heard what I said! Now, I bought an insurance company and it's at the airport. Yes or no? Let's go, Val.
Blue. Okay.
Call the insurance company.
Hey, man, the only thing I believe in is that shotgun in this case.
Look, Harvard, we got tickets for the doubleheader.
How long, Blue?
$20,000.
$500.